And while the flu vaccine is not perfect, researchers are working hard to improve its effectiveness. Elizabeth Cohen has more.
2-year-old Jude McGee, 26-year-old newlywed Katie McQuestion, Gianna Cabasag, a 4-year-old little girl.
Her heart's not beating.
They all died of the flu, and they'd all had flu shots.
Just relax your arms. No, relax your arms. You're okay. Done. Look at that.
There's no question you should get a flu shot. Last flu season, the flu killed at least 36,000 people, so this shot could literally save your life. But it's far from perfect.
Even on a good year, influenza effectiveness of the vaccine is about 60%. On a bad year, it's as low as 10%.
Do we need to make a better flu vaccine?
You know, we really absolutely do.
In September, President Trump signed an executive order noting that the current system for making flu shots has critical shortcomings. The order pledges to modernize the process. The first step, stop using eggs to make flu vaccine. They grow the virus in the eggs, like the eggs you eat for breakfast, and then they kill the virus and put it in a vaccine. But sometimes the virus changes inside the egg, so it doesn't end up matching the flu that's out there spreading among people. That's why some companies like this one have figured out ways to grow the flu virus without using eggs.
Right here we have the cells growing the virus. The virus stays the same, and when you make the vaccine, it looks closer to what's in the wild.
So no eggs here anywhere?
No eggs here anywhere.
Trump's executive order is designed to encourage more of this technology and something even bigger, something researchers have been working on for years. A flu vaccine you would get only once in your life instead of every year. Karen Craney is one of the first people in the world to get what's called the universal flu shot as part of a study at the National Institutes of Health.
Invert 5 times.
The shot is prepped and medical history is made. A universal flu shot is at least a decade away.
It's complicated. It's not going to be easy, but we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel.
So for now, get your regular flu shot to protect yourself and everyone around you, while we wait for something even better.